Hi everyone. Just wanted to do a real quick kind of preview of our lesson here, uh, primarily focused on immigration, topics around immigration and social oppression, which is actually interesting given the narrative going on nationwide regarding our current administration and build the wall and that whole concept. So it's sort of interesting that we're going to be taking a look at this a little more in depth and to be looking at and thinking about what do we really mean and the different types and forms of oppression. So I hope you find value in these resources as well. There's a short video here in terms of looking at language and around the ideas of hate language. Also asking you to post a discussion on social oppression as well as a journal really thinking about versions of literacy. So you're going to be using your text for your journal to be making a modified version of an activity that's found there, and the details and descriptions are related there. I'm also asking you to post a voice thread discussion or posting, if you will, on your Train the Trainer project. I want you to share just a real quick brief overview. If you've got your 5Ws done, you kind of know where you're headed. Give a brief update. If you are stumped, talk through that a little bit with the rest of us, and the rest of us can provide maybe some feedback. But by the end of this lesson, which closes on March 8th, I would like you to have posted the Train the Trainer project check-in. I also want to offer a friendly reminder that this lesson does span our Easter break. And interestingly enough, is the Christian calendar is moving into Holy Week. So Monday, Thursday, and Good Friday are recognized holidays of the college, so there are no classes, as well as Easter Monday, which is April 2nd. So be mindful of that. So there's a little bit of gap in our activity of this lesson, but take time to enjoy family, friends, and relaxation. So just wanted to do a quick overview again of our lesson, some of the main points that we're going to be discussing. I look forward to your journal activities that are covered in this lesson, as well as working more closely with you on your capstone project. Be looking in lesson 7, which is when your IDI plan is due. I'll be having a synchronous class session on that as well, going over the really the final component. So that'll happen looking like the first week, if you will, first full week of April, which looks like it's actually the week of April 9th. But I'll post more details on that. I don't want to get you too caught up on that. Focus primarily on your capstone project, and please reach out to me with any questions or concerns that you might have. Lesson 6 is opening a little bit early, but given the fact that we've had break and also are going to be taking a bit of another break, I wanted to make sure that you had time to fully absorb the materials and so forth. So have a great day. Thanks.